Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm telling you how to set transaction fees on Axiom, a key step to optimize your trades on this Solana trading platform. It's quick and gives you control over costs, so let's jump right in. So first, head to Axiom and sign in. Use your wallet like Phantom or log in with your email. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to tweak these fees for your next trade. Navigate to the trading interface, click the swap or market tab where you enter your trades, look for a gear icon on settings button or the settings button near the transaction input fields. That's where fee adjustments live. Axiom lets you set priority fees to speed up transactions on Solana. You'll see an option labeled priority or gas settings. Enter a value in micro lamports, like for example 0.001 Solana, for normal trades. For hyped tokens, bump it to 0.01 or higher to beat congestion. Axiom's smart preset is a solid default if you're unsure. For extra speed, add a bribe fee. It's optional and not always needed. Look for bribe in the same settings. Defaults 0.001 Solana, but you can tweak it up for high volume trades. This incentivizes validators to prioritize you, though it's separate from Axiom's base 0.9% fee. Once set, preview your trade. Axiom shows the total cost, including their 0.9% fee and your custom settings. Execute a small test trade to confirm it processes as expected. Check SolScan if you want to see the breakdown after. And that's it. You've set your transaction fees on Axiom. Play with priority and bribe fees based on the market conditions to save Solana or snag fast fills. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more trading tips. See you next time.